Bonjour mes étudiants, bienvenue chez Crayons Tuitions. Je suis votre professeur Srishti. Hello students, welcome to Crayons Tuitions. This is your professor Srishti. These French lessons are prepared in a manner where you will need least assistance from external source. Here you can learn French and practice it on the same platform.
Before starting with the lesson, let me give you some introduction. Any foreign language is divided into levels, and French is also divided into 6 levels: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and C2. In these lessons, we are going to start from A1 and will cover all the levels. Some of you might wonder, why do you need to learn French language? People learn French language for their career perspective. After learning this language, they can go into teaching, they can become translator or interpreter, they can work in tourism as a French guide or in sales. They can work in different companies where they are trained on different softwares, and if they know the French language, then they can work in BPOs or KPOs. Learning this language can also help you apply for various government jobs. A lot of times there are students who are doing a course in any other field, and they want to add value to their field by learning a foreign language, mostly French. Sometimes they need to have a foreign language certificate to get admission into foreign universities. For example, in France and Canada, where they require a minimum of B1 level for getting admission there. So let's start with the lesson. Usually, I don't start with the alphabet in my offline classes. However, since I don't know my audience here, let's just start with the French alphabet. So like in English, we have 26 letters in French as well. After each letter, I'll give you a 1 second pause to allow you to repeat what I say. So here it goes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great. That was some awesome job, guys. So you have seen the letter R, which is pronounced a bit differently, and it would be a bit difficult for you to pronounce it correctly so soon. But you can practice it by repeating the letter. So it's R. R. The voice comes from your epiglottis. Now is the time to practice what we have learned so far. These are some common French names, and we are going to spell them. So I hope that you have memorized all the letters with their pronunciation so that you can also practice and spell these words in French. Let's start. Ani. A N N E O. Daniel. D A N E O L. Laure. L A U R E. Yves. Y V E S. Catherine. C A T H E R I N E. Ophélie. O P H E L I E. Ursule. U R S U L E. Noemi. Noemi. Great. You must have noticed that there are two names that consist a letter E with a little accent on the top. I will tell about this later in the lessons. Students, we are here to learn a foreign language. And for learning a foreign language, the most important part is pronunciation. If you know how to pronounce different words correctly, then you won't face difficulties in the later lessons. So this first lesson is entirely dedicated to pronunciation. And the first topic is syllables. Let's start. Les syllabes, the syllables. The syllables are the small group of words involving vowels or just sounds that join together to form a word. We will cover all the different syllables that come in French language. You should know how to pronounce them so that when they come in the words, you will be able to pronounce the words entirely. So here is a list of syllables that come in the beginning or middle of words. These are some of the most common syllables, and when they will come in the words, you should be able to relate them and pronounce them correctly. Sometimes the pronunciation of these syllables will change, but it's very rare. Mostly the pronunciation will be as it is given in the list. So let's start. The letter E is pronounced as A. Simply A. A. The letter A is pronounced as A. You have to open your mouth. A. A. I is pronounced as E. E. AI or E with this accent, which is called accent aigu, is pronounced as A. A. When the E comes with accent grave, then it will be pronounced as A. A. IN or IM will be pronounced as N when they come in the beginning or middle of words. The pronunciation is N, the nasal sound. N. OU will be pronounced as U. U. O will be pronounced as O. O. ON. O comes with N, it will be pronounced as O, the nasal sound. O. AN, AM, EN will be pronounced as O. O. GN will be pronounced as near. Near. OI will be pronounced as UA. UA. S will be pronounced as Z. Z. When the S comes in the middle of a word. In the beginning, it will be mostly pronounced as S, but in the middle of a word, it will be pronounced as Z. Double S will be pronounced as S. S. CA or CO. When C comes with A or O, then they will be pronounced as Ka, Ko. The sound will be K. When C comes with E or I, it will be pronounced as S, C, S or C. Same thing goes with G. If G comes with A or O, they will be pronounced as Ga, Go, but with E and I, it will be pronounced as J, Ji. CH will be pronounced as Sh, Sh. Let's learn some more syllables. These are the syllables that usually come in the ending of the words. ION. If this comes in the end of a word, it will be pronounced as ion. Ion. TION will be pronounced as sion. Sion. AIS or AIT will simply be pronounced as A. A. ONS or ONT will be pronounced as ON. ON. ANS, ANT will be pronounced as ON. ON. EAU, EAUX, AU or AUX. When they come in the ending of the words, they will be pronounced as O. O. ER in the end of the word will be pronounced as A. A. IN will be pronounced as A. A. Apart from these syllables, you should also note that there are no hard sounds in French language. The sounds T and D or T, D do not exist. We have the soft sounds in place of them. T, D, T, D. Also, in most words of last letter is silent. Most words, not all. I suggest you to memorize these sounds perfectly so that you face least difficulties in pronouncing different words. Now I want you to go back to the syllables, write them down on a notebook, start the video from here and try pronouncing the different words. If you have already memorized them, great. We will go to the next topic, that is practice these syllables in words. Pratik. Let's start with 1 or 2 syllable words. Car, car. Ba, ba. Pa, pa. Ne, ne. Te, te. Sur, sur. Je, je. Le, le. Mi, mi. Ri, ri. Mon, mon. No, no. Now we move to words which have 2 or more syllables. Jeune, jeune. Français, français. Maroc, Maroc. Parler, parler. Paris, Paris. Marie, Marie. Carte, carte. Jolie, jolie. Parle, parle. Jaloux, jaloux. Good. Now we'll do the words which have 3 syllables or more. Église, église. Théâtre, théâtre. Hôpital, hôpital. Magasin, magasin. Régime, régime. Cinéma, cinéma. Restaurant, restaurant. Annoncer, annoncer. Now these are some words which contain more than 3 or 4 syllables. Pronunciation, pronunciation, pronunciation. Alimentation, alimentation, alimentation. Architecture, architecture. Connaissance, connaissance. Religion, religion, religion. Cathédrale, cathédrale, cathédrale. Pyramide, pyramide, pyramide. Événement, événement, événement.
Good job, guys. Well done. I guess that was quite overwhelming for the first class. In the next video, we'll cover these topics: French expressions, new words, pronouns, and counting from 1 to 20. Until then, see you later. Au revoir. À bientôt.